What's up, you guys? Good morning. We are really tired because we woke up pretty early. And another weekend, another destination.
As usual.
As usual, yeah. It's our weekend dose nowadays.
But it's again unique. So let's find out this destination.
Okay, let's go.
So for this weekend, we are at a unique place, or should I say a unique village, which is known as Kitengela. 1.5 hours drive from Nairobi. This place is really beautiful. It's unique because...
Loving it already, loving it.
The village is unique because everything is made up of recycled glass, and we'll be staying here at Nani's Glass House.
It's beautiful, guys. I'm sure you'll love it. I mean, you will love it. We'll super love it. So first, let's explore the cottages. So here, you'll find two categories of rooms. That is the glass house and the pool house. And we are staying in the pool house. So come on, I'll give you a tour. So welcome to the pool house. So this place, the pool house can accommodate 5 to 6 people easily. This is the sitting area. Dining table. Okay, come on. I'll show you something interesting. This is gorgeous. This is really gorgeous. So you have a 1 bedroom here. I'm already in love with this place. This is so nice. So what makes this place unique? Most of the houses and the decors, mostly all the things like room decors, wall decors, furnitures, everything is made up of recycled glass. Oh, you have a swing. Hi, where are you? So this entire building is double storied and it has multiple rooms. I don't know where I should sleep and where Riju would sleep. So we'll decide, no Riju?
Absolutely.
This is mine, this is mine, this place is mine. Okay, we also have a sitting area here. Nice. Can you see these glasses? I was talking about this. These glasses? These are all recycled bottle glass. Everything. Riju, show the floors. Even these are glasses. Okay, so I found something very unique. Can you guess what is this? Riju, do you think it's something dashboard kind of thing or something? Headlights?
Yeah, it looks like I think
Bus
the
or
front section of the car or a truck where the headlight is there, right?
Yeah. Nice. So 2 to 3 steps further, you have this beautiful bedroom. 1 more bedroom. It has 2 single beds. The other one was double. This has 2 single beds. Look at the floor, man.
I just love how colorful it looks like, right?
Gorgeous. Look at the floor. Look at the intricacy of the work, like of the glass. Every single piece is a glass work.
And there you have the second bed.
So you have a chair here. And this is so colorful. So colorful, so bright. No, I'll shift to this room.
Okay, I'll take the upstairs room. You haven't seen that, I think, Pooja.
So this is a complete villa in itself. This is the kitchen. Equipped kitchen. We have gas, oven, little bit of crockeries and cutleries. Not too much, but we have it here. Can still manage with those. And come on. At the end, there's a bathroom.
Wow,
Also
I think...
has a jacuzzi. It's colorful. Oh my god, look at the ceilings. The detailings of the glasses
Wow.
are so nice. It's so colorful and vibrant. And this is the exit. But we're not exiting now. We'll take you upstairs. Come. I love this place. Riju, it feels like I'm entering a Alibaba's cave, you know.
Okay, just look at the stairs as well.
Oh, this is beautiful, man. When did you come here? I didn't see this.
I am staying here. I am definitely staying here.
So, total you have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds in total.
Yeah, you have 2 double beds and 2 single
2
beds.
single beds. So, this is mine. I'm gonna stay here. You are shifting downstairs. No more words.
No, I am definitely staying here. I am not giving this to Pooja.
Okay, let's share rooms then.
Okay, that's possible.
Please. compared to the others, right?
Yeah.
Also, you have a closet, like hanging closets, and you have an open bathroom. I love this. I love the sound. It's so satisfying. See the cover. It's made with glass. Even when you're at the loo, you can have a proper view of the wilds.
And this is the terrace.
Oh my goodness, this place looks so creepy. Oh, maybe I'm wearing sunglasses, that's why.
Probably.
Look at this. Ooh. So this is the glass house. This is pretty small in compared to the pool house, but it's okay, it's compact. And moving on, you have this bedroom. Even this is double story. Here you have the double bed and 2 single beds. It's upstairs.
I kind of like the bathroom. It looks really nice. Just look at this. How
Can you
colorful.
see the walls? These are all recycled bottles, like wine bottles, beer bottles. These are so unique and different. Peekaboo. And this is the bathroom. Nothing much.
Okay, so now let's go to the other room, which is on the first floor. Now I know why this is called a glass house, because if you look at the walls, all the glasses are recycled glass. This looks so colorful.
So we just figured it out. There's a sauna room beside the pool. So come on. If you are a sauna lover, this place is for you.
Oh, this looks unique.
It's a glass sauna. It's a glass bottle sauna. So once you come out of the sauna and right next to the pool, you have a sitting arrangement here.
Oh,
Yes,
the
beautiful
views.
view. Yeah. Nice.
We are right now in Kitengela glass factory. So here they use the recycled bottles, they put it inside the chimney, they melt it, they blow it, and they transform those to beautiful artifacts. It looks so beautiful. We'll show you one.
For making a bird, we are using the rod
Okay.
to make the bird. But in blowing, you use a pipe.
Okay.
I'll put the color. Put eyes.
You're making a bird.
Yeah, a bird.
This is so nice. It's an orange bird right out of the fire. Okay, now let's go in and explore the Kitengela's glass store.
Wow.
Wait.
This looks.
Oh my god. It's beautiful, it's heavenly. Wait. Don't come in. Let me go first. It's a whole new world, guys. It's a glass world.
I definitely like this kind of offbeat places, right? Pooja, I really love this.
Can I show you a glass shoe? Of course, it's not Cinderella's, but probably it's of Kitengela's. And do you know what is this? This is a planter. So they also have a shop on the ground floor. So right outside Kitengela's glass, you'll find this abandoned cottage. I think they are using it like for storage purpose nowadays, maybe. But it looks like a mushroom to me. What do you guys think?
Yeah, to me it looks like a tea kettle. The shape is, I don't know how to define
I
it.
think you got it right. Actually, it looks like a tea kettle.
It's already 6 in the evening, so we'll be going to our room and having our dinner. Pooja is already inside, she's warming up the food. So one more thing, you guys can also come here for a day trip and go back by the evening. Of course, we chose to stay, but there is not much to do in the evening. So we'll see you guys tomorrow again.
Good
morning. So last night I had a little trouble sleeping because of the change of place.
Yeah, Riju woke me up quite a time saying, Pooja, I'm not able to sleep. I'm not able to sleep. Are you sleeping? Are you there? Oh my god.
But Pooja was snoring all throughout.
Yeah,
and
I slept so well.
And this morning also, I really had to pull her off the bed. So she wanted to sleep more.
I'm still a sleepyhead. So Riju woke me up because he was interested to go and check out the bridge. There is a hanging bridge at the backside of the Kitengela. For now, we are walking towards it. So let's go.
So
see
let's
how it
explore.
is.
Let's see how the bridge is. Oh, this is just 2 minutes from the place.
Yeah, that's it. We reached the hanging bridge.
Let's go.
Riju, please stop jumping, man. I'm having a vertigo already.
This is pretty scary, but the view is still awesome. Let's just look. I think where this bridge goes, I think it leads to the Masai Lodge.
Riju, please don't jump, yeah. I'm getting a vertigo. So what I liked about this bridge is the glasses they've hanged. It's really beautiful, looking nice. And you can see our breakfast has already reached our doorstep.
Yesterday evening we came, but we couldn't see the glass blowing process. So today morning we are again here, and we'll see how the glass blowing process happens. So that's it from Kitengela Glass House. We had an amazing time here.
I'm already feeling so sad, leaving this beautiful village behind.
So don't worry, we are again traveling for a new unique experience next week.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
So to check out that, what you need to do,
Guys, please consider subscribing our channel and hit that notification bell, ting ting ting, so that whenever we post videos, you get notified.
so see you.
See ya!